Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 16. Chapter number 16, that is data handling. That is data handling. Start class. These are our learning objectives. See class, daily chart, pictograph, bar graphs, line graphs and pie charts. Let's start the chapter class. Now Irfan collected stamps for a project, wrote telemarks to show different color stamps that he has. C class. Usually telemarks, we can represent the data in an organized manner. In an organized manner. So class, अब इरफान ने यहाँ पर कुछ स्टैम्प्स क्या किए थे, कलेक्ट किए थे एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. तो हमें उसमें टेलीमार्क्स में डिफरेंट कलर से डिफरेंट कलर स्टैम्प्स को दैट ही हैज हमें उसको टेलीमार्क से शो करना है. ओके क्लास. नाउ green 1 2 3 4 5. Now number of stamps 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now orange 8. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. Now 10. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now blue 8. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. Now 12 pink 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Class, now Sahil opened his money bank. साहिल ने अपना मनी बैंक ओपन किया टू काउंट द कॉइन्स एंड नोट्स ही हैड सेव्ड. जो उसने सेव किए थे उसको काउंट करने के लिए. ही रिकॉर्डेड हिज सेविंग इन द टेबल गिवन बिलो. फिल इन द मिसिंग डिटेल्स टू कंप्लीट द टेबल एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. क्लास सी. coins or notes, telemarks, numbers of coins, notes. Class 50 पैसे. 1 2 3 4. 4 means 4 here. Come. Now 1 rupee 8. 1 rupee कितने coins है उस पर? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now class 2 rupees के कितने coins थे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 5 5 plus 10 plus 2 12. Now 5 rupees के 6 थे. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 10 rupee. अब क्लास सी. अब हमारे पास coins हैं यहाँ पर. नो. Now क्लास सी. 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 6. और हमारे पास क्या है? टोटल नंबर है. हमारे पास क्या है? टोटल नंबर, इनका टोटल. बट हमारे पास यहाँ पर एक डिजिट हमें पता नहीं है. तो हम क्या करेंगे क्लास? इन सबको ऐड करके 35 में से माइनस कर देंगे. नाउ 12 plus 8 20 plus 4 24 plus 6 30. Now 35 minus 30 is equal to 5. So यहाँ वो जो डिजिट है वो क्या होगी यहाँ पर? 5. Okay. Now here will come 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Understand? Which note coin is the highest number? 2 rupee. Okay. Now which note coin is the least in number? Least in number is 50 paise. Now which note and coins whose number when we combine together is equal to the number of two coins? Which note and coins whose number when we combine together is equal to the number of 2 rupee coin? 12 and 8 plus 4 12. So 1 rupee or 50 paise. 1 rupee or 50 paise. 50 paise. Now, how will you show 35 using telemarks? How will you show? Now 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. It is 5 plus 5 10 plus 15. Now 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 5s are 35. How will you show 35 using telemark? See class, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. 7 times 5, 7 5s are 35. Now, a collection of facts and figures is called data. Data put together as they are collected are called raw data. Raw data have to arranged in some order to make sense. There are many ways to arranging and presenting or showing data. They are as follows. Now class, tally chart. A tally chart is quick and easy way to count how many are there in each category. हम जल्दी से उसको क्या कर लेते हैं, काउंट कर लेंगे और रीड कर सकते हैं. We represent each item as a vertical stroke and every fifth observation is represented by crossing the fourth stroke diagonally like this. If an observation occurs 6 times in data, then its frequency is 6. The number of times a particular observation occurs in a data is known as frequency. Now, 24 students collected money for Helpage India. The amount given by each child was recorded by monitor as follows. Now, preparing a tally chart and frequency table and answer the question given below. Now, amount 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now, tally marks, number of students जिन्होंने 10 rupees दिया है, 3 C, 15 5 C, 20 5 students, 25 2 student, 33 35 1 and 43 students ने दिया है. Class, now 45 0 50 0, 45 0 52 students. How many students denoted 33? Now, how many students gave less than 35? 18 students. Now, how was the maximum amount denoted by a student? 50. Now, pictograph class. We may represent numerical data through pictures or graphs called pictorial representation of data or pictograph. Now, example number 1, Mr. Cool sells ice cream cones on his chart. क्या बेच रहे हैं Mr. Cool? Ice cream cones. Now, here is the data showing the number of ice cream cones he sold in a particular week. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Number of ice cream sold: Sunday 8, Monday 4, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Wednesday 5, Thursday 6, Friday 7 and Saturday 9. Now, this data can be shown in the form of a pictograph. Now, study pictograph and answer the following question. Sunday, class C, this is a pictograph. Now, scale 1 ice cream is equal to 1 ice cream cone. What does ice cream stand for? 1 cone. Give a suitable title to the pictograph selling ice cream. Now, on which day of the week did Mr. Cool sell the maximum number of cones? Saturday. On which day of the week did Mr. Cool sell the least number of ice cream cones? Tuesday. How many ice cream cones did he sell in the entire week? 42. Now see, example number 2, the number of balls sold in a sports shop on a day are as follows. Prepare a pictograph for the data. एक स्पोर्ट शॉप है जहां पर बॉल्स सोल्ड होती है क्लास. नाउ फुटबॉल 30, बास्केटबॉल 25, टेनिस बॉल 15, क्रिकेट बॉल 35, पिंग पोंग बॉल 50 and baseball 10. Now remember, since numbers are bigger, we use one picture to represent multiple balls. Now class, scale क्या है यहाँ पर? 1 ball is equal to 5 balls. Football 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 30 balls. Basketball 1 2 3 4 5 means 25 balls. 5 5s are 25. Means one ball is equal to 5 balls. Now tennis ball 1, 2, 3, 15 balls. Cricket ball 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 35 balls. Ping pong balls 3, 15. Baseball 2, that means 10. Now answer the following questions. How many football were sold in sports shop? Football 30. Now how many tennis balls were sold in sports shop? Tennis ball 15. Which ball is sold the least number? Baseball. सबसे कम baseball. Now how many ping pong ball were sold in the sports shop? Ping pong ball 50. Now which ball is sold in maximum number is football. Football is sold maximum number. Now class, bar graphs. Bar graph is a pictorial representation of data. The length of bar depends on the value of what it represents. Example number 1. The following bar graph represents the scale of different items during a week in a shop. Class C. Shirts, trousers, jackets, belts, caps, and ties. Now look at the bar graph and answer the following questions. Which item has maximum scale? सबसे बड़ा scale किसका है क्लास? बेल्ट. Which item has minimum scale? सबसे कम? जैकेट. Jackets. Now, how many more belts were sold than caps? How many more belts? Now, belts is 40 and caps is 30. So, 40 minus 30 is equal to 10 belts. Now, how many ties were sold? It is 35. Now, how many less shirts were sold than trousers? Trousers 35 and shirts is 30. So, 5 shirts less. Now, solution, let us prepare a table first. See class, shirts 30, trousers 35 and jackets 25, belts 40, caps 30, ties 35. Now, maximum scale is of belt, minimum scale is of jackets. Now, 40 minus 30, 10 belts were sold than caps. Now, 35 ties were sold. Now, 35 minus 35 less shirts were sold than trousers. Class C, as I told you. Now, example number 2, the bar graph given below shows the marks obtained by students in a class test of 20 marks. Now class ये marks हैं. Now ये students हैं. Jasmine, Murugan, Amit, Aryan, Kavita and Sunil. Now look at the bar graph and answer the following question. Who scored at the least mark? सबसे कम किसके हैं? सुनील के. Now highest marks सबसे ज़्यादा कविता. Who got 20 out of 20? How many marks did Murugan score than Jasmine? C class. How many marks did Murugan score than Jasmine? Class, Jasmine ने स्कोर किया है 10 और मुरुगन ने किया है 14. Now 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. So मुरुगन के 4 marks ज्यादा हैं जैस्मीन से. How many students scored more than 16 marks? How many students more than 16? बस क्लास कविता के ही आए हैं यहाँ पर. Now how many less marks and Amit score than Aryan? How many less marks Amit score than Aryan? Class Aryan ने कितने स्कोर किया है? 12 और अमित ने 6. Now 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. See. Okay. Now class, line graphs. Line graphs are often drawn to show the increase or decrease in numbers of either persons or price or weight, etc. Now example number 1, represent the following data by means of a line graph. Students' attendance in a examination. Now numbers in hundreds. Here now 15, 18, 20, 25, 29 and 27. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004 and 2005. Now class step 1. We choose two scale. Horizontal axis 1 centimeter represent 1 year. C class. Now vertical axis 1 centimeter represent 5. The first marking on the horizontal line is 2000. Moving upward, we put a dot at 15 because in 2015 100 appeared for the exam. C class. तो हमने यहाँ पर एक dot लगाएंगे हम. Now second marking is 2001 and we move upward and put a dot at 18 like this. Now similarly we do for the others here. We join all. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इन सारे dots को join कर देंगे help of the ruler to obtain a line graph. ओके ये हमारा क्या है क्लास, एक लाइन ग्राफ हमें मिल जाएगा. ओके नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 2. द लाइन ग्राफ शोज द ग्रोथ in an actor's career from 2000 to 2006. Fill the table from the graph and then make a bar graph by coloring a square or two fills. Yes class. अब पहले हम क्या बनाएंगे, अपना लाइन ग्राफ बनाएंगे, देन अपना ये बार ग्राफ बनाएंगे क्लास. सी 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4 and 5. यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ फिल्म्स एंड ईयर. ओके नाउ यहाँ पर क्या हमने पहले एक चार्ट बनाया. नाउ हमने उसको नंबर ऑफ फिल्म्स को उसमें फिल कर दिया. ओके क्लास. नाउ पाई चार्ट. They are circular chart used to depict fraction of the whole collection. Now we will learn how to read the pie chart in numeric terms. Example number 1. Look at the pie chart of favorite food items of 32 children. How many children like North Indian food? C class. North Indian food half 1/2. 1/2 of the circle shows North Indian food. It means 1/2 of 32 children like North Indian food, that is 1/2 multiplied by 32. It is 16 children. Yes class, it is 16 children. Now D. How many children like Chinese food? C class. 1/4. 1/4 of the circle shows Chinese food. It means 1/4 of 32 children like Chinese food, that is 4 8s are 32, means 8 children. Now see, how many children like Italian food? Italian food 1/8. Just C. Italian food. Now Italian food, it means 1/8 of 32 children like Italian food, that is 1/8 multiplied by 32. 8 4 are 32. 4 children like Italian food. Okay. Now 1/8 of the circle shows C class. D. How many children like South Indian food? So 1/8. C class. 1/8 of 32 children like South Indian food, that is 1/8 multiplied by 32. 4 children. North Indian food 16 children. Now Chinese food 8 children. Italian food 4 children. South Indian food 4 children. Okay class. I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. Now students, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.